G'day guys, Ben from BlackBear BBQ. One of my favourite things to cook on the weekend is breakfast on the barbecue. Today we're going to be cooking a breakfast hash. My breakfast hash has got anything I've got left over in the fridge. Today we're using leftover smoked sausage, got some freshly chopped potato, bacon, onion, tomato, eggs and parsley. What you're going to need is a good griddle pan. We're going to get some oil in that, swish it around. Our SmokeFire is set to 450. We're going to get in there, get the oil nice and hot.
I am feeling mean, I'm feeling mean.
While the pan's heating up, we're going to slice up our sausage, get it ready. The sausage is all sliced up. We're going to get our potato in as soon as the pan's nice and hot and get them roasting. Going to give those potatoes about 15 minutes. We want them to start getting nice and crispy before we add the bacon. Now that the bacon's in, we're going to give it about 5 minutes and we'll add the onion and the chopped sausage. We're going to give that about 5 minutes, then we're going to add the eggs and the tomato. Just going to give it a little sprinkle of BlackBear BBQ rub. Just going to top it with a little chopped parsley. Time to pop the lid back down and set the eggs. Once the eggs are set, breakfast's ready. That's my breakfast hash. Feeds 2 to 4 people. My house, only 2.